Nairobi County Governor Gideon Mbuvi Sonko, County Secretary Stephen Lebo Olemorintat, the City Finance Executive Veska Kangogo are among county officials listed as respondents in this case. MCA Peter Imwatok, in his court filings, claims the county government had overrun its approved budget on healthcare by more than 103%, and the taxpayer could have lost more than 1.7 billion shillings.
In a very, very watchful eyes of the governor of the city, His Excellency Governor Mike Sonko, that one company in a record 6 months can be paid 1.72 billion shillings in unclear circumstances.
He claims AAR Insurance, also listed as a respondent in the case, was paid some 326 million shillings for provision of medical services running from July to September 2017 and another 326 million for provision of services between October to December 2017. The insurer won another 1.062 billion shillings tender to provide medical services for the 2017-2018 financial year. This is despite the County Assembly having on the 1st of March 2018 passed a supplementary budget where they approved some 877 million shillings for the provision of healthcare.
While Nairobi County government had paid one company, AAR Insurance Company Limited, 1.72 billion in a record 6 months. Bearing in mind, Nairobi County has 12,600. Unfortunately, AAR was paid for 14,000 employees, meaning Nairobi County is already employing ghost workers or insuring ghost workers.
He claims the governor bulldozed the assembly into approving the budget, even though the tender had already been awarded. According to the MCA, the Controller of Budget irregularly authorized the release of the 1.7 billion shillings, contrary to the Public Finance Management Act and Public Finance County Government regulations.
There's a possibility taxpayers are losing a lot of money, in particular Nairobians, who have lost so far 1.72 billion shillings in a span of 6 months. And most of, if you look at the service the Nairobi staffs are given, it's a very substandard service. In a container, you cannot treat people in a 2 facility worth 1.7 billion. It shows Nairobi hospital construction, it can cost less than 1 billion shillings. But this company is fleecing 1.7 billion every year just to treat 12,600 staffs in a container.
Peter further claims AAR had been subcontracting the provision of these health services to a third party who provided unsatisfactory services.